Hi, I'm Andrew with Baker's Gas, and we're here today with the all-new Miller Gen 2 LPR-100 filter mask here. So in this video, we're going to go over the new features on the Generation 2. I have the older one, and we're going to do a little comparison on what the differences are on these two filters. So basically, just to jump right in, this filter has a 55% better breathing rate or exhale rate, or less stress on your body when you're breathing in and out. So it's 55% better than the old one. You can kind of see it's got new covers on there to protect the filter a little bit better. It's got a downward respirator, so it's not on the front like the old one, it's on the downside, so it reduces fogging on glasses, the helmet, that sort of thing. Pretty awesome little filter though. They've been pretty popular. So in the package, it comes in a box, you get the carrying case, which is an all new thing, which is awesome because pretty much the best way to defeat contamination is to cover your mask when you're not using it, right? So you cover it up. It has that awesome little case that it comes with. And we'll link all this stuff down below, but it's pretty nice little setup. So to change out stuff, and we got two different style filters here. We got the nuisance filter and then the regular filter. So the nuisance filter cuts out smells, or we see a lot like when people are in acid tanks or fuel tanks or something like that, they want to wear that because it cuts that smell out of the air. But just to change out the filter, basically it's got two tabs here on the front, and then you just pop open that and that filter comes right out. It's all pressed in there just like that, and they're pleated on the back, and they got that pre-filter on the front, has the part number on the front, then it just goes right back in. Pretty easy to change. A little bit different than the older model. I do like it. The filter, you can see, is a little bit smaller than the old one too. You just got to make sure you get that seal all around. And actually, I've got it notched in there. So there we go. Got it fit in there. Just take that right off. The show you here real quick. Just want to make sure that seals all the way around it. Get it all pushed in there. There we go. So then this all goes back on, but you can see that ventilator tube is on the, or ventilator valve is on the bottom side. So it makes it better, I guess, for, anti-fogging. It doesn't hit the helmet, fits underneath a welding helmet. We're gonna try it on here and I'll show you how that works. But pretty simple, everything comes in there. So I have a medium large here. They make small medium, but just to give you how to fit these on there, 80% of the population will fit in a medium if you size this for medium. Basically just sizing it, you can adjust the straps, right? The tabs that go back and forth, and then you fit it to the medium size. But 80% of the people or population will fit in a medium large. We see a lot of people, they are always a question, do I need small, medium, large? So just to give you that size, pretty simple. You can fit in the medium there. But let's try this thing on. I'll grab a helmet and show you guys, and then we'll do a little comparison here. Alright, so I got this around my neck here. We're going to put it on, and then it just goes around the back of your head like that and fits on there. So you can see it is very easy to breathe with, and I'm breathing pretty good. I mean, it's working well, but hard to hear me talk. Let me try on a helmet here and show you guys. So you can see it fits down underneath your welding helmet, and then you just clip it up. So it's a pretty slim fit filter underneath there. Pretty awesome. Let me take this back off here. I'll show you guys the comparison here. So I got the old LPR-100, and they still do have these, but they are discontinuing because of the new filter that came out. And if you guys remember on these, not that they're hard to breathe in, but this one did definitely less resistance for sure than this one. Here, I'll show you. So there's the old LPR-100, and you can see how those tabs clicked over too. A little bit more cumbersome to get that out of there. The filter was bigger, and they were pleated. They didn't have the soft pre-filter on the front, and then this forward-facing respirator. So basically, it would bump the helmet sometimes, or you breathe out and it'd fog up your helmet. And then there's the filter, the old filter. So you can see a size comparison on those. So one of the biggest questions we get is, how often do I have to change these? So technically, there's not really a time limit. It just depends on the environment that you're in. But I would definitely recommend, if you noticeably see this as black or dirty, or if you start to feel a lot of resistance on the breathing aspect of that, it's time to change that filter. So just keep some on hand. We'll link that bundle down below too, and we'll have all the part numbers and prices on that. But if you guys got any questions, comments on this thing, please let us know. We'll do our best to answer them. And thanks again for watching. Stay tuned for some more.